What rights do conservatees have to modify their conservatorship? Imagine being under someone else's control and wanting to regain some independence. That's exactly what conservatees sometimes face. If their situation changes or they feel the conservatorship isn't right anymore, they can ask the court to make changes. Conservatees have the right to ask the court to change their conservatorship. This can mean giving them more decision-making power or even ending the conservatorship if they are capable of managing their own affairs again. They can file a legal request called a petition to ask for these changes. They also have the right to be represented by a lawyer during court hearings about their conservatorship. If they cannot afford a lawyer, the court can appoint one to help protect their interests. This ensures their voice is heard and their rights are protected. Conservatees can participate in court hearings. They can share their wishes, present evidence, and tell the judge how they feel about the conservatorship. This involvement helps the court understand what's best for them. If they want specific changes, such as getting back control of their finances or choosing where to live, they can request those. For example, if their health improves, they might ask to make their own medical decisions again. In some places, conservatees can even request a jury trial to contest the conservatorship or its terms. This gives them a chance to have their case heard by a group of peers. The court's main goal is to protect the conservatee while respecting their independence. When considering modifications, the court looks at whether the conservatee can handle their own decisions and what's in their best interest. To start the process, the conservatee or someone acting on their behalf files a petition explaining why changes are needed. This could be because their condition has improved or because the conservator isn't fulfilling their duties properly. Once a petition is filed, the court reviews the case. It may decide to give the conservatee more rights, appoint a new conservator, or even end the conservatorship altogether if the person is capable. Even after the court makes changes, the conservatorship stays under supervision. The court makes sure the conservator is acting properly and in the best interest of the conservatee. These rights are especially important for elderly individuals who might be experiencing cognitive decline or physical challenges. Elder law focuses on protecting their dignity and autonomy while providing necessary support. If you or someone you care about is in a conservatorship, it's good to stay aware of these rights. Legal advice can help when seeking modifications to better match the person's current needs and wishes. Remember, conservatorships are not always permanent and can be adjusted to help the conservatee regain independence or address new challenges.